Hello everyone, in today's lecture we will discuss the concept of hospital accounting. Hospitals may be owned by individual or partners. Many of times hospitals are run by trust, central government and state governments. Hence, it can be said that the hospital is an industry. But there is a difference from other industries. Hospitals may be profit making or non-profit making organization. Hospital provides services to society. In both cases, industry, that means hospital industry, have to need to adopt a specific accounting methods for recording of all transactions, and for this purpose there is an suitable accounting method is adopted by hospital industry. There are some books of accounts are prepared like profit and loss account and balance sheet. म्हणजेच काय की जे काही हॉस्पिटल इंडस्ट्री आहेत त्या संस्थांमार्फत चालवल्या जात असतात. तसेच जे काही सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट असेल, स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट असेल, त्यांच्यामार्फत देखील त्या चालवल्या जात असतात. आणि यांचं जे काही मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह आहेत ते ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचं असू शकतं. म्हणजेच काही प्रसंगी ते सेवा पुरवण्याचं असू शकतं किंवा नफा कमवण्याचा सुद्धा त्या ठिकाणी त्यांचा उद्देश असू शकतो. There are various sources of funds of hospitals like subscription, donations, any fees received from patient and any government fees. The main objectives of hospitals run by the charitable trust will be render services to the public and not to earn profit. म्हणजेच ज्या धार्मिक संस्थांकडून हॉस्पिटल चालवले जात असतात त्यांचा उद्देश नफा कमवण्याचा नसून केवळ समाजाला सेवा पुरवण्याचा असतो. त्या ठिकाणी नफा मिळवण्याचा हेतू विचारात घेतला जात नसतो. As such, organization adopt fund accounting method for the calculation of accounting transactions. There are some books of accounts are prepared like income and expenditure accounts and balance sheet. Hospitals received government grants to run their hospital industry. Register. First is OPD registers. OPD register means outpatient department registers. It is the record of patients who are treated by the doctors in the hospital but not admitted in the hospital. म्हणजेच OPD रजिस्टर हे अशा पेशंटसाठी तयार केलं असतं की ज्यांना डॉक्टरांमार्फत ट्रीटमेंट दिली जाते परंतु ते पेशंट हॉस्पिटलमध्ये ॲडमिट केलेले नसतात. This register gives information about the income generated through these sources. This gives detailed information about the patient, history of his disease, treatment which is given to this patient, etc. Second register is maintained by second type of register which is maintained by hospital, that is IPD register. IPD register means inpatient department register, and this register is maintained to record the information about the person who are admitted in hospital for the further treatment. म्हणजेच जे पेशंट ट्रीटमेंटसाठी हॉस्पिटलमध्ये ॲडमिट केले असतात त्यांची इन्फॉर्मेशन रेकॉर्ड करण्यासाठी IPD रजिस्टर त्या ठिकाणी तयार केलं असतं. And this is helpful for the account department for the purpose of billing. This provides information about the patient, and generally such books of accounts are recorded for one accounting year. This is the pro forma of OPD or IPD register, that is gives information about the patient who are treated by hospital. There is an information about the patient on which date he is admitted in the hospital. There is a detailed description about the illness of patient or rooms provided to patient, that is this room is AC or non-AC. There are some charges are included in this register, that is which fees is paid by patient is included in this register. There are many types of fees: clinic charges, physiotherapy charges, food charges, operation charges, x-ray charges, lab charges, pharmacy charges, etc. In today's lecture, we have learned hospital accounting, types of registers which are maintained by hospital. Thank you.